Hi, I'm Kathryn. Welcome to Kathryn Live. Today we are going to be working with Melissa, also known as Melissa officinalis and lemon balm. What we're going to be doing is turning it into a hydrosol. Now, whereas traditionally to do steam distillation and make hydrosols you might need some expensive equipment that involves glassware, which I'm going to draw you a diagram here shortly. Today we're actually going to be making a hydrosol with things that you just have around your kitchen. So some of these things involve a really deep sauce pot. You're also going to need like a brick, like half of a brick would be ideal, as well as one of these little steaming baskets. You'll also need a glass bowl that is small enough to sit inside of your pot, and then on top of that you're going to need a bowl and some of these little tubular solid pieces of water. So I'm going to be showing you today on Kathryn Live how to make hydrosol out of plants that you grow a lot of in your garden, which you have an abundance of, which you might not have enough material to make an actual essential oil, but you can still make hydrosol, which means you can use those hydrosols for making lotions, as face toners. You can also add them to beverages, and hydrosols are a much better way to use the pleasant taste aspect of plants rather than essential oils. So we're going to be doing that today. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So go ahead and follow me on Kathryn Lives and you can figure out how to do it for yourself. Thanks. See you soon.